Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Princess Street in downtown Kingston. Now this is one of the streets that the authorities had a massive garbage cleanup exercise. Over 100 truckloads of garbage was removed from Princess Street and Haywood Avenue in downtown Kingston. Now, the government is spending a lot of money on various initiatives to try and bring back downtown Kingston to its glory days. A lot of companies have set up office down here, and they have $1 billion oceanfront initiative to start very soon. Kingston, I think it's a Kingston Harbor initiative. So one of the things that is essential to bringing back downtown Kingston is keeping it clean. Now they have some huge markets down here with a lot of people, and as a result, the streets that surround the market, extra effort has to be paid to those streets or those areas because the market has a lot more traffic. Okay, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's going on with this project. Downtown Kingston, a bustling hub of commerce and activity, recently witnessed a transformative cleanup operation spearheaded by the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation in collaboration with the National Water Commission, the National Solid Waste Management Authority, and the Jamaica Constabulary Force. This ambitious initiative, which cleared over 100 truckloads of garbage from key areas like Haywood Street and Princess Street, marks a significant step towards revitalizing the urban landscape and addressing long-standing environmental challenges. The cleanup tackled a range of pressing issues, including waste management and drainage. Accumulated garbage had not only marred the aesthetic appeal of the area, but also contributed to health hazards and blocked drains. By removing debris and unclogging drain systems, the operation mitigated risks of flooding and improved sanitary conditions for vendors and visitors. Many vendors who rely on the streets for their livelihood lauded the efforts, noting the positive impact on their work environment. One vendor described the change as welcomed and expressed gratitude for the improved appearance and health conditions. The initiative underscores the importance of coordinated action in urban management. By pooling resources and expertise, the KSAMC and its partners demonstrated how collaborative governance can address systematic problems effectively. The inclusion of the Jamaica Constabulary Force added a layer of security to the operation, ensuring the safety of workers and maintaining order during the cleanup. Beyond the immediate benefits, this cleanup has broader implications for downtown Kingston's development. A cleaner, healthier urban environment fosters economic growth by attracting more customers to the area, boosting vendor sales and encouraging tourism. Additionally, it lays the groundwork for future improvements such as infrastructure upgrades and beautification projects, which are essential for sustainable urban development. The success of this initiative also highlights the need for ongoing maintenance and community involvement. Regular garbage collection, education campaigns on proper waste disposal, and enforcement of regulations will be crucial to sustaining the gains achieved. By engaging residents and vendors in the process, authorities can cultivate a sense of ownership and responsibility in the area's upkeep. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Guys, do you realize how much garbage 100 truckloads is? That is a lot of garbage. Well, I hope they continue this exercise and do it on a regular timeline so that the area can be maintained. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.